Good afternoon, I'm Robin from Boatshed Algarve. I'm on board a 2008 Elan 434 3-cabin version. I'm in the aft port cabin. One of the things about this yacht is the sheer volume of storage below the cabin sole, in the cabinetry, behind the saloon seating, under the saloon seating, and under the double bed in the forward cabin. Forward cabin is en suite with heads, which is originally also a shower. You can see the shower drain, but the shower head tap has been replaced with a standard tap. On the starboard side is what was originally the shower, and the shower is still in situ, but the current owners have added a couple of stainless rails to use it as their wet locker, but it could equally well be used as a shower. So storage under the bed is via drawer, and then underneath the upholstery all of the opening portholes have fly screens, and all other portholes have blinds. This yacht has recently completed the ARC and has all the relevant safety equipment and navigational electronics, including SSB and AIS. She also has a water maker and generator. Shower and heads, access from the main saloon, but also from a Jack and Jill door to the aft starboard cabin. The aft starboard cabin, which is a mirror of the port. She has a wind generator, solar panels, which the controllers are here. The Jack and Jill door to the shower and heads. Again, plenty of stowage below the cabin sole. Access to the engine in both the cabins, port and starboard. Very large saloon table. Volvo D255, just serviced in October 2019. And there is a cold start engine video for this yacht as well.